Hey going there guys, we see a few people asking about the Android version with head units and what it means and what it can do, and people like that. This one has a real new Android version on it. The truth is sometimes these suppliers actually lie about the Android version. So first I'll cover, is the Android version important? Head units are a bit different from your actual phone, right? They're a bit more stable and things don't change as often. So the Android version is not as important, and you'll quite often find a newer Android version doesn't mean the actual unit's any better or can do more. It's more linked to the actual hardware inside the head unit. But in saying that, new Android versions, things that do change and certain things happen. It's a bit different from your phone where you can kind of upgrade the Android. On head units, normally the hardware is linked to the Android version, so you can't just keep upgrading it. Now we have some units out there with Android 16 on them. Now you can install an app called the Fake Device app, and you can actually test to see what Android version's actually on your head unit, and that'll tell you the truth. Now the reason why this is good to do is if they lie about the Android version, then you don't really know if any of the specs they say are true. So it's always good to double check these things and see what is going on, and that's why you want to buy from a reputable brand and see that's all legit. So if you connect your head unit to internet, go to the Google Play Store and search Fake Device Test. So the Google Play Store is that one there. Make sure you have internet hooked up to it. I have a SIM card in here. You can hook to a Wi-Fi. Fake device test. If you're hooking to Wi-Fi, make sure to turn your Bluetooth on your phone off first, otherwise your Android Auto or CarPlay wireless will take over that. And you're looking for this one here. Install this. It's a free app. This isn't very big, it should be pretty quick to download. Once it's downloaded, you can open it. Might ask for some permission. There you go, it's already ran it already. So it's saying matches Android, the other version, so it's passed the Android operating system check. I won't go any deeper into what this app can do. It can actually run a few more reports, but straight away that's how you check if your Android version is what your head unit is actually telling you. And normally if you go into your head unit settings, software version, somewhere in here it'll tell you what the Android version is. So some of these head units say they have Android 16. I'd be very surprised at the moment, whatever, we're in April 2026, if they truly do. The most likely they've just changed pretty much the interface, like scribbled this out and put 16 in to say they have 16. And that is just a bit of a worry, because if they lie about that, then who knows what other specs aren't true as well.